Hello students, great news, Mr. Yun here, and it's time to study for our first World Studies test. That means we're right here, Chapter 1 Review and Study Guide. Tomorrow will be the test, so the date should be the 25th. So we can take a look at our review page here. It's always like a forum with this video, with my tips and tricks to succeed. So today's Chapter 1 Review Day. Use today to review for tomorrow's test. This will be our first test, and it was a pretty short chapter, so this test shouldn't be too crazy difficult. If you have any questions about what we're going to study and what's going to be on the test, you can post them here, and if you see a question you can answer, feel free to do that. Recommended ways of studying: reread the chapter or read it for the first time in the textbook. It wasn't a very long chapter, so it won't take you long to read it. Also, take a good look at the study guide, which is right here. It's a Google Doc, view only. If you can answer all these questions, or you know what it's talking about, you're probably in a pretty good position to ace the test. One other thing real quick, pro tip: this year we have supplemental programs on Wednesdays. I don't like giving those on the same day as a test, but it just lines up sometimes like that. So tomorrow will be a Wednesday, so in addition to the test you have a current event. When that happens and it's test day like that, I'll recommend maybe let you know in advance so you can knock out the current event today on the study day when there's nothing else to do. So you study a little bit, knock out that current event, and then tomorrow you can focus solely on the test. Just a little pro tip from Mr. Yun. Okay, that's it for today. Good luck with the test tomorrow. Shoot me an inbox or something if you have any questions that you need answered, or post them here. Alright, have a good one.